welcome back for another day of calendar math. So let's jump right into it and get started. To help us with learning about today, let's look at what yesterday was. So look over at your calendar and find yesterday. What was yesterday? If you're not sure, then say the days of the week until you reach what yesterday was. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yes, yesterday was Wednesday. Now look at the number that was yesterday. It's a 2 and a 9. What number is that? Yes, it's 29. Remember, it's 29 because we have 2 rows of 10. That's why we use the 2, and that's why the 2 is worth 20. And then we have 9 left over, 29. So let's read all about yesterday. Yesterday was Wednesday, April 29th, 2020. So now that we have all the information about yesterday, it can help us learn about today. What comes after Wednesday? Once again, if you need to do your days of the week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yes, it's Thursday. Today is Thursday. Now, yesterday was the number 29. What comes after 29? If you're not sure, pick a friendly number and count on. Pick a friendly number. 20 is a friendly number. So let's count from 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Yes, we did all of the 20s. And when we're counting by tens, 10, 20, now we're going to do the 30s. Now, how do you write the number 30? Well, let's use our money calendar to help us. I'm going to add one more day because today is one more day from yesterday. And I'm using a penny because a penny's worth 1. Now, it's broken down for me and I can see what digits to use to create the number 30. I have 1 row of 10, 2 rows of 10, 3 rows of 10. So I'll use a 3. Do I have any left over? No. So I will use a 0. So to write the number 30 is a 3 and a 0. So now I know how to create the number 30 using the digits 3 and 0 because I have 3 groups of 10 and none left over. So now I'm ready to put the number 30 on my calendar, but I need to figure out what shape will it be written on. So look over at your calendar, look at the pattern. Remember, what was our pattern for April? Yes, it was an A, B, C, D pattern. So look over at what yesterday was. Yesterday was a green triangle. So what will today be? Yes, of course, it's that blue rhombus. So my number 30 and a blue rhombus will represent today. And there it is. So now I'm ready to read all about today. Read with me. Today is Thursday, April 30th, 2020. So now we know what today is. Let's see how many days we've gone to school for the whole month of April. So let's add another tally mark. Look over at your tally mark chart. I added 1 more. So when I'm looking at my tally marks, I have a group of 10, I have 5, and then 2 more. So I'm going to count the 5, 6, 7. So now I see I have a group of 10 and 7. So how many days have we gone to school in April with a group of 10 and 7 left over? What is 10 and 7? Yes, it's 17. So we have gone to school 17 days in April. How many have we gone this whole school year? Let's figure it out. Okay, look over at our place value chart and we have the number 163. So I need to add one more straw because today is one more day of school. So when I add my one more, what place will I put it in? Of course, the ones place. There were 3 and I've added one more. What is one more than 3? Yes, 4. But let's check just to make sure. Since they're in the ones place, I will count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to change the 3 to a 4. Then I move next door to the tens place. How many groups of 10? Yes, there's 6. 6 groups of 10. Here they are broken down or decomposed for you. Since these 6 bundles are in the tens place, what will I count by? Yes, I will count by tens. How many times? 6 times. So let's see what the number 6 is worth since it's in the tens place. Count with me by tens 6 times. You ready? Okay, let's go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So the 6 is worth 60. I move next door to the hundreds place. How many groups of hundreds do I have? Just one. I have just one group. So when I read my number, it is 164 days we have gone to school this whole school year. Great. Awesome job. Okay, now it's time to do the weather. So be a meteorologist. That's a person who does the weather. And look outside and tell me what you think. Yeah, it looks pretty sunny out there. So I'm going to color another sunny day on our April chart. Okay, look over at your April weather. What kind of weather have we had the most of? Yes, sunny. Look, I don't even think we have any more room to color any more bars for sunny days. What have we had the least of? Yes, partly cloudy and rainy. Yes, very good. So our weather graph was very easy to read because we've had mostly sunny days and all those bars are colored. So since we're coloring bars, what is that graph called? Yes, a bar graph. Good job. Let's move on into telling time. Okay, friends, look at our time. Remember, when you're telling time, look at the hour hand first, the shorthand. What is it pointing to? Yes, it's pointing to the 10. So I will circle the 10, and I'm going to write the number 10 to show that we are in the 10 o'clock hour. Now look at the minute hand. Remember, the minute hand counts by ones. But our clock is designed that we can count by fives until we get to the minute hand. So are you ready to count by fives? Go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So how many minutes is the minute hand showing? 35. How do I write the number 35? Well, 10, 20, 30, that's the number 3. So I have 3 groups of 10 and 5 left over. So there's my number, 35. Now all I have to do is read the digital time. What time is it? 10:35. Very good. So our time is showing 10:35. That was awesome. Good job. Now, let's talk about tomorrow. We know that today is Thursday, April 30th, 2020. The exciting thing about tomorrow is today is the last day of April. There are only 30 days in April, and we have reached number 30. So we get to start all over tomorrow. So what comes after April? January, February, March, April, May. Next month is May, and that starts tomorrow. So tomorrow we will start the month of May. And since we're starting all over with a new month, we start all over with a new pattern and starting with the number 1. So tomorrow we know will be May, and we'll start with the number 1. We don't know what the pattern is. We'll have to wait and see tomorrow. I know today is Thursday, so what will tomorrow be? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yes, tomorrow will be Friday. And we already said it's a new month, and after April is May. And we start all over with the number 1. So do you think you're ready to read all about tomorrow with me? We'll do it together. Here we go. Tomorrow will be Friday, May 1st, 2020. Good job, friends. You did such a great job telling time, counting, doing our money calendar, tally marks, weather for the month of April. Fabulous job. So your ticket out the door is you will have to tell me what time is it on the clock. Are you ready? Look at the clock. What time is it? Yes, it is 10 o'clock. You ready? Look at the clock. Tell me what time it is. Yes, it's 4 o'clock. Are you ready? Look at the time. What time is it? Yes, it's 2:30. Remember, you have to count by 5s all the way down to where the minute hand is. Are you ready? What time is it? Yes, it is 9:15. Very good. Okay, since we were talking about telling time, we'll watch a video about telling time to the hour, the half hour. So just click on the next slide and enjoy the video about how to tell time. I will see you tomorrow in May. Bye, friends.